Yeah, you are audible as well as your screen is visible. You can
Okay.
start.
Okay, Rakshanda, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Am
you.
I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. And we are here with the presentation with face recognition based password encryption and decryption system. We are the students of Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, and we are representing our research through all our authors. So, the contents of our presentation are: we will be taking you to the brief introduction of our research. We will be letting you know what early research in this field has been done. We will be explaining you different modules of our research. Then we will be taking you with the final results, conclusion, and references at the end. So, do you often struggle to remember all your passwords and resort them writing them down, which is really a hectic task? Nowadays, people have logins to n number of systems and they often face problems of remembering all their passwords. And what they do is they write their passwords in a notebook or somewhere else, which is a hectic task and a result to security and privacy problem as well. But with our system, you can say goodbye to that problem. We have a convenient way and a very effective way of managing the password based on security and all of the constraints. Our project will be aiming towards building a password manager and incorporating password system through face recognition and detection, where we will be using some of the enhanced algorithms like OpenCV AES encryption algorithms. Not only this, we will be avoiding phishing and cracking attacks, and we will be giving a goodbye to increasing cyber threats. We have developed a password manager system which not only store your password but also show you timely username with its password on recognizing your face and validating different occasions of your face angles. So, if you talk about the early research, then we have some research in this field where we faced some problems where there were no such system which used to, detect the face or take different angles of your face. So, we tried to incorporate something new in our system which will take different angles of the user. Not only that, we have an effective solution to the storage of the password, which is AES algorithm. AES algorithm is the most secure algorithm which we have incorporated in our system. These are some of the research papers, namely as research on face detection and deep learning. Not only this, face recognition in OpenCV. Here in these papers, they don't have password managing system. They just have the detection and recognition of the face. These papers are a true solution to the face recognition and detection, but not the password management. These are some of the papers which have the AES algorithm study, which does not have face recognition and detection as well. So we have this effective solution through all these algorithms, different algorithms in our system. So we have three modules in our system. The first will be face detection, which will take human faces or images or videos. Next module we have as password manager, which will take username and password from the user. And the third module which we in our system will be having face recognition. So this module will be testing, validating the face of the user, and then only the password of the user will be shown at the end. This is the architecture of our system. Now here you can see the user input face will be given to our system. So this is the user. Now what our system will be doing is it will be creating a new account for the new face. Now we will be taking 10 random images of the user. In early traditional system, the traditional system used to take only one or two images, but we have 10 images storage which from different type of angles, so that you whenever user comes next time, the system will automatically validate from any angle the user have taken the images, and it will be stored in a database. Now if the verification of the user is successful, then only it will give the access to the password. But before accessing the password, user needs to sign in again, and he needs to create a password manager card which will contain a username and a password and will be locked with the AES encryption algorithm with a 128-bit encryption. Then what our system will do is our system will validate the user's face which has been taken from the 10 images, and after successful validation of user's face, it will show the password at the end. So this was all about architecture. Now I will hand over mic to Rakshanda.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, as Vedant have prior told about the three models that we have used in our system, that is face detection, face recognition, and password manager. Now, I'll explain those in detail and which basic algorithms that we have used in our systems. Now, talking about the first, that is face detection, we have used Har-Cascade classifier algorithm to recognize the face, whether this is a human face or not. So basically, this model is trained with a set of positive and negative images to identify the features, that is the eye and then the nose feature and the lips of a human, and then to and then to give the result that yeah, this is a human and this is, or this is any other animal. And for our system, we have considered the human's face. Now, as I've told that this is a pre-trained model, so this is available in OpenCV library. So we have imported it and then used in our system, so that not only from image it detects the face, but also from videos also it can detect human's face. So whenever we are going to means whenever the person, I mean the user is going to sign up for the first time, he has to switch his camera on, and there would be a video, means he would start streaming for 10 seconds, and every second one picture would be clicked, and he has to give his the face with his different angle. And moreover, also, we have also implemented validation in our system. That means that if the person is not present in our what we say in front of camera, or the person just for testing, he has kept some animals, any other which is not a person, that is animals photo, then it wouldn't detect, and he would tell, and the system would tell person, that user, to please that face not detected, like that. So there wouldn't be any, there would be accuracy of the person's face. So this was about face detection. Next slide, Vedant. Now coming to the password manager, we have used AES algorithm for storing our password, which is Advanced Encryption Standard, where our password, means where our password are get converted into a 128, means there are different keys for AES algorithm, that is 128, 192, 256 bits, and for our system we have taken 128 bits keys for encryption, and as well as for decryption we have used the same algorithm. Next. And now talking about the face recognition, which would be done when once user has the card of that of his URLs and as well as passwords, and now he want to access it, he want to see that what is his password for say Canva. When he enters, he has to first do this two-step verification. That the first step would be signing up to his account, and second would be face recognition. That is, he has to again start his camera and let the system access his face, and do the cross checking thing, that is this the same person who was there while signing up for our system. And once and this we have done using local binary patterns, like this is a common way of face recognition that we use in Python. And if the person matches with the person who has signed in, at that time the user can access to that account, and he can see all his passwords. So this is way more advanced and way more secure way of saving our passwords. And moreover, these passwords are not stored on cloud, it is stored on the local machine of of the system of user, so that no hacker could access it from the cloud. Next. These are the result of our system. It gave 90%, 95% accuracy for face and for its authentication. Like we have conducted 50 test cases, and out of them 47 were effective, and they gave access to the face, but like three of them were in the light. The surrounding light was not was dark. So in that case, it could not it could not detect the human face. So in that case, our the system failed. So that's why its accuracy is 95%. And as you can see that that orange denotes the successful attempts, and 90, and yellow is the accuracy percentage. Like blue is the total attempts that we did, and green is and gray is the fail attempts. Like fail are very less. It is only in the case when the user is not present in a well lighted room. Like the light around him should be very bright. It should not be dark. And if it is dark, then our system won't work properly. It won't detect. Next. Okay, so these are the future enhancements. Right now we have told that we our system fails on the surroundings having the dark light. So our future enhancement is that we would be using more different module to neglect that thing, and also increase our accuracy. That would be our one point of future enhancement. The other would be that we would be using we have used 128-bit alias, so we are planning to go for 256 to make it more secure. As well as the third is that we are also trying to add like three-step verification, such as the user's fingerprint or voice recognition. The user which are not ready or which do not want the system to access their camera, direct camera, so they those can switch for this fingerprints or voice recognition system, that layer of verification. um, and this is how we are planning for our future enhancements. And so now, on the behalf of all our co-authors, I would like to give a vote of thanks. Like at the end, with deep sense of gratitude, we would like to thank all the people who have light our path with their kind guidance. We are very grateful to our Institute Vishwakarma of Technology and our guide, that is PS Jogrekar for sir, for continuous guidance and encouragement. We would also like to thank this institute, Jain College of Engineering, INCET, and IEEE.
Okay, fine. I have a query.
Sir.
If if the system requires multiple passwords, is there any provision?
Yes, sir. System like user has opportunity to store multiple cards in his login. So not only for one login he have the opportunity, but user can store as many cards as he wants. So let us say for Canva he has one password and username. Let us say for Gmail he has one password and username. So user has that opportunity.
No, I'm asking about the layers,
Layers.
multiple layers.
Yes, so we for now we have two layers. The first layer is by typing username and password of the user, okay, to logging the system, and second layer is face recognition and detection. So for now we have these two layers of login to the system of the user.
Okay.